Hi, welcome back to the vlog. We are packing for my trip to Walt Disney World. Let's get into it. First outfit I need is boardwalk
evening
for dinner.
Beaches and cream.
Beaches and cream. Well done.
What are you gonna do? Like a little dress?
Maybe, because I have only got really 4 t-shirts that I want to wear.
What's this? Would you wear that?
Yeah, I probably would wear this actually. Hollister denim dress. And
yeah,
this
nice.
is actually very cute.
And then you might need a jumper or a cardigan. You could just wear that.
I think I might. Hollywood Studios Day is going to be really hot, and I actually don't think I'm going to need this.
You know what we haven't done? What are you going to wear on the plane?
The top got stolen from my doorstep by an Amazon delivery driver.
It doesn't have to be Disney themed for your travel day.
I got a white sweatshirt with like gingerbread embroidered on it. I might wear this one.
You could also just wear a plain.
I probably could just wear a plain white t-shirt. Probably will.
Are you going to actually pack?
I'm actually packing these, yeah.
Okay,
Right.
Might be here for a while.
I'm just doing this, and then I'm going to go like this.
Right,
and
okay,
then like
fine.
this. That's why they've tuned in, you know?
Wear this on the plane?
No, because I feel like, I don't know how anyone else feels, but like once you wear it on the plane, I can't wear it again until I've washed it. It's just like, it just feels plainy, so I don't want to wear it. So I'm going to save it for when I get there. Hollywood Studios, it's definitely going to be this t-shirt.
Lovely. Perfect, classic.
Classic.
Yeah, with what?
Well, I know I want this bag.
Okay.
And then these
is.
What shorts is the question? These ones?
Oh yeah.
Or these ones? These are just plain blue ones.
I think the black ones, if you're wearing
ones.
black ears and stuff.
I haven't added my socks.
Oh gosh.
I've got
Can't forget these socks.
What are we feeling? It's kind of beachy, maybe.
You haven't got any trainers here.
I've only got my New Balance.
Right.
I'm just taking one pair.
One pair.
They're my Animal Kingdom ones, for sure. And
those have got to be your Epcot ones, because they're Nemo.
Yeah, go to the camera.
Cute.
And then the Marie ones I want for my Magic Kingdom Day.
Cute.
Maybe these blue ones for Hollywood Studios.
Yeah, because they'll go with the castle.
Animal Kingdom. This t-shirt, which I think is so cute. It's from the Lost Bros.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Did you get that shipped from America then?
Yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah.
How much was it?
I think altogether it was about £40. It's probably the price of paying for one in the park.
Yeah.
When I check into Animal Kingdom Lodge, I'm going to buy the ears. So I'll have the Animal Kingdom Lodge ears. These shorts.
Yeah.
This. And then this bag.
Really cute.
And then I did get this off eBay.
Where's it from?
Disney originally.
It's
It's
a
like
vintage
a
Disney one.
Yeah.
Yeah, nice.
So this is another option for travel day. But yeah, look how cute the back is. I just love the little...
You know what that would be good for? This would be good for a Christmas stay at Wilderness Lodge.
I thought you were going to say Disneyland Paris Sequoia Lodge.
Oh, well, yes, that as well, but
yeah, I'll take
we might as well go to Wilderness Lodge. That's my dream, one day, to do that.
Christmas at Wilderness Lodge.
Yeah.
Yeah. Epcot,
yeah.
I think I'm going to wear this one. Which is a very special t-shirt because they were gifted by Robert Downey Jr. On the set of Doomsday for working on Avengers Doomsday, which I did this summer.
You can see that.
She looks massive. It's just it's a list of all the Avengers and all the people that are in the movie.
Right.
And I guess it's Doctor Doom's list of people he doesn't like.
Thor.
Yeah. Sam Wilson is Avenger. He's like the new Captain America. Ant-Man. The Fantastic Four. Bucky, Yelena, Alexei. They're like the new Avengers, you know, the Thunderbolts.
I used to know them all, but I thought it was like the Hulk, Spider-Man, Captain America. No, they're not the Avengers anymore?
No. They're not after Endgame, I think they...
Right.
Yeah, so I'll be the only one at Disney World with this t-shirt, so...
Unless there's someone from the crew going on the same day.
Maybe the red and white shorts, because it's got red in it. Maybe a skirt for a change.
Yeah, it's quite short. It's quite short, I have to say.
This t-shirt's really long as well.
What ears are you wearing?
I don't know.
Okay.
Hopefully something that I pick up at Disney Springs. The other thing is, I sent you that t-shirt on Instagram. It was like purple.
Oh yes.
It was really nice, and it had like a shiny purple, had Magic Kingdom, had all the parks.
Yeah.
And actually, if I see that, I'm probably gonna wear that.
Yeah.
My Nemo is orange. Oh, that's not bad actually.
No, that's not too bad.
Okay.
I think you'll change your outfit for Epcot.
I think so. It's hard when Epcot. I'm not a Figment person.
No, we're not a Figment family, are we?
I don't think I've ever been on the Figment ride.
We have,
but not as adults.
Not as adults, no.
I might have to take Paul on it.
Well, it's one he can do.
I've never been on it, so it'll be a new ride for me.
I've seen clips of it, and I'm like, oh yeah, I have, but like, it's not one on our list.
I think I might do it. Then it's Magic Kingdom in the evening. This dress, classic. Bag. Also could find different ears. I'm all about buying the ears and the pins.
Yes.
Maybe some Christmas ears to go with this.
Oh yeah. I actually really like the reef ones this time round.
They're green.
They're like green felt kind of reef ones. I like those.
Okay. Have you seen the candy cane ones?
Yeah, or the candy cane.
I think maybe the candy cane ones of this would be quite cute. What socks am I going to wear with those?
These ones probably have to.
Yeah. Following day, Magic Kingdom. Well, this is my last t-shirt I've got left, or whether I find a Christmas t-shirt.
I think you have to find a Christmas t-shirt. I have a feeling you're going to end up buying more than you think.
Yeah, me too.
If it's anything like me in my August trip, definitely bought way too much.
Yeah. What I haven't figured out is where I'm going to wear these.
I've never really seen these in real life. Christmas Eve at Magic Kingdom, you want to go Christmas. So you need your Christmas ears, Christmas t-shirt, Christmas jumper.
Yeah.
Do you maybe wear these on the first evening you go to Magic Kingdom?
What you mean with this outfit?
Yeah. I think that's actually quite cute.
Yeah.
What's this?
We'll get to that.
Oh, okay. I have a feeling you don't have an outfit here for Magic Kingdom Christmas Eve because you will end up buying one.
Yes. Well, I think I'm just going to take my denim shorts. Yeah. These blue shorts are just really comfy, so I'm just going to take them anyway.
Yeah.
Have you seen there's like a pink t-shirt that says like Merry Christmas, got the characters on it?
Right.
I'm probably going to buy that.
Okay. And I know it is warm, but we were in trousers and some jeans last year.
I also have these like linen trousers.
Okay, fine.
They're thin as well, so like I'm going to take these. These would work for anything Christmassy I want to do, or Animal Kingdom. Extra socks, because I'm sure I'll end up wearing them with something. This is going to be for our dinner at Boma outfit.
Very good.
We have dinner at California Grill, Christmas Eve. I'm going to wear this long black skirt.
Yeah.
This top, velvety. It actually goes around that way.
Oh, very cute.
So it's there, and then there's a bow on the back.
Yeah. Where's that from?
Tesco's.
Oh.
Loving a bit of Tesco's.
Yeah.
So I've got
obviously
this one, which I'm so excited to wear. That's been tucked under the bed since you came back in August. I can't wear it until I go to Disney. This hoodie is also another travel day option. It's also from Robert Downey Jr. from Doomsday. Came with our little end of film package. It's got little characters on the back there.
Yeah, interesting. I really don't know any of these characters.
Oh, you do know all the characters, but you just haven't seen the films because it's all Fantastic Four and Thunderbolts and X-Men.
Oh, is Thunderbolts a bit out?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. I sort of fell out of love with Marvel, I'm not going to lie.
Yeah. Then this I really liked as well. And this I got off Vinted, I think. And it was from the 2000 year Disney World, which we were there that year.
Yeah.
Millennium.
Literally in Magic Kingdom for Millennium. Oh, and Star of the Show.
And Star of the Show, which is my Kate Spade Minnie Mouse bag, which I got on sale what was it, Black Friday. It was originally £400.
Which is crazy.
I would
Sorry,
never pay
that's
£400.
so expensive.
It's just like, you could get 4 Loungeflies for that price.
Yeah.
Like, I just don't know who is buying this for £400.
No.
I saw it on sale in the summer. They had a summer sale, and it went down to 200 and something pounds.
Right.
I nearly bought it then. And I'm so glad I waited, because on Black Friday, how much did I get it for? 120?
Oh, was it that? I thought it was 170 something.
No, it was like either, I think it was like 108.
Oh, wow.
But then I had to pay for delivery, so it worked out to about £120.
Right.
Which is still a lot for a bag.
It is a lot for a bag.
But this is going to be what I use to travel with on the plane.
Yeah. And you will have it for a really long time.
Yeah.
That's a really good deal.
And it was a good deal. Yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't really like Loungeflies.
Controversial.
Yeah. Sorry. I don't want to take it to the park. It's too heavy. They're too much for me. I'm a bit more minimal. I don't like bounding. And like dressing up as characters and all that kind of stuff. So
no, this is perfect.
Oh, last thing.
Last but not least,
My pyjamas.
Yeah, they're really cute.
Which are really soft, and they're just perfect Christmas pyjamas.
They're quite thin as well, so
yeah.
Even though the aircon in the hotels is really cold. Waking up in the Contemporary on Christmas Day morning.
I know!
Perfect.
Yeah. Funny, I could like wander down to breakfast in them.
Yeah, I mean,
I won't, but
you probably could.
I actually don't have an outfit for Christmas
Christmas
morning.
Day?
No.
At Chef Mickey's?
No.
We must find one. You'll get something at Disney Springs.
Yeah, I will.
No, I think you've packed well, because you will buy a lot of stuff out there.
Yeah.
Especially like Christmas specific merch as well.
Yeah. I need a Christmas Eve outfit and a Christmas Day outfit.
Yeah. Yeah, you'll find it. Okay, well, we are actually going to go and pack.
I'm actually going to put it all in my suitcase now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. I hope you tune into the vlogs when they get uploaded in January, I suppose.
Yeah.
And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Bye.